My name is Vera, and today we're going to be using a Vitamix Aerating Container to make clam bubbles.
First, I'll start off by sweating some shallots and garlic, and then add carrot for some sweetness. I deglazed with a little bit of clam liquor and cooked it down to concentrate the broth, create a beautifully aromatic and savory sauce. To stabilize our bubbles, I added some fat in the form of just a little bit of heavy cream and a very nice olive oil, and then some soy lecithin. Using fat in addition to soy lecithin is going to allow the bubbles to last a lot longer. In our blender, we'll blend everything together to aerate the sauce, creating nice stabilized bubbles that we can spoon off the top and finish our plate with. I plated black cod with charred endive, piped a little bit of pea puree, some fresh snap peas, pea tendrils, pea flowers, some wild arugula, and then finished with fennel oil. The whole dish is tied together with clam bubbles, which is going to give it a nice texture as well as a very savory and aromatic sauce.